मडगाव रवींद्र भवनात कलारंग 2026 ही कार्यावळ रंगली। लोकांनी व्हडा संख्येन वांटो घेतलो। गोयचे तरेकवार कला प्रकार जशे नाच, संगीत, साहित्य हांचो सुंदर मेळ पळोवपाक मेळ्ळो।
I think Madagaukars have been blessed to have this institute as it has offerings of Bharatanatyam, art, I think it's newly stated, right? Art is also newly stated, tabla, harmonium and Hindustan classical music. And I'm sure Madagaukars will look forward to Kalarang, this beautiful festival year after year. You have amazing artists performing. I was here 2 years back and I must say that it was truly outstanding. All the performances were truly outstanding. So congratulations to the trustees for having started this beautiful festival.
23वा कलारंग फेस्टिवल रवींद्र भवनात साजरो जाता आनी तेय बी रिनोवेटेड रवींद्र भवन सामकें चकचकीत बरें रिनोवेट जाल्लें रवींद्र भवन कसलीच कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी नासतना कसलेंच कोफजाव नासतना हांव चेअरमॅनाचें पयलीं अभिनंदन करता बाब राजू तालकाचें ताणें फुडाकार घेवन सामकें बऱ्या पद्दतीन केलें नवो प्रोजेक्टर आनी सगळें घालून इंटरनॅशनल चिल्ड्रन्स बुलबुल फिल्म फेस्टिवला खातीर रवींद्र भवन तयार जाता ही आनंदाची गजाल आसा।
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नाईक राऊत आणि वैष्णवी साळगावकर।